Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's special video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable developer mode in your Windows. So if you are into development, then surely that you need to enable your developer mode. How? By simply searching for settings here at the bottom search bar, then go for open to run the settings. Once you are being here in the settings, you can see here it has this search icon. Just search for developer. And then here it has this results. Go for the first one. Use developer features since we're looking for developer mode. Here, as you can see, it has this developer mode. Install apps from any source including loose files. Just have to turn this on to enable. Okay? Here, once before saying yes, just read the message here. Turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risk or harm your device. Then click on yes to enable. Okay? You might as well can turn on this device portal to turn on remote diagnostic over local area network connections and as well this device discovery make your device visible to USB connections and your local network and it has the rest of the applications I mean options. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy to enable or activate developer mode. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.